Well, hello my friends. Welcome to this desktop. Today we're going to go over, once again, Black Friday deals on Amazon geared towards the model builder. I broke down what I could here and put them all in these little tabs at the top. I'm going to start with this dehydrator. Not many were below 150. I like to aim these things at around $100 or less for you guys. This is a good size. This is an 8 tray. And regularly $160. It's on sale for $92, all stainless steel. And unfortunately, I'm starting with it because you can see, well, you can see my pointer. It's a lightning deal. It's only 35% have claimed, so about 65% are left at this price. Grab one if you're watching the video. I put this up first, so you can pause the video. Grab this right now if you want it, so you get yourself a nice dehydrator. Every one I put up seems to sell out in about 10 seconds. So if you've been in the market for one, and you know the one I just did recently sold out again, then grab this one. All right, this is a rare sale. I paid $90, or here it is. The original price was $90. I paid $90. I've never seen this on sale, and here it is on sale at this great of a price. I think last price was $79, so we're looking at $68. This is an incredible Vortex paint mixer, hands-free. You lock your paint jar into it, and you dial the speed. It's an awesome, fantastic product. I'd almost probably buy this just to have 2 of them. Comes in handy for me because I can shake the paint without me holding it while I'm getting stuff done in the booth and prepping for videos. But yeah, this is an incredible deal at $68. Trust me, it seems expensive, but when you have this thing on your bench, you'll be happy you got it. All my paint mixes I use are awesome, and you got to pay good money to get the good ones. Speaking of, the 4Es, very rarely on sale. I paid, excuse me guys, this says $80, sorry. And I paid $104 when mine came out. And you can get one with the extra cap and some mixing balls, but I don't know if that one's on sale. Let's take a peek. I don't think it is. Yeah, $84. So, I mean, you want to save the big bucks, so go right here. And we'll take this one at in the 60s and $63.99. And again, a fantastic must-own. I use all my paint mixes, so I'm not going to pick one over another. But yeah, these are phenomenal. There's this black one is on sale too, even cheaper. Let's see, $59. There we go. So yeah, I'm going to put I'll put this black one in the description below the video, the link to it. Incredible, fantastic paint mixer. This thing weighs like 6 pounds. It's a heavyweight, man. Nothing compares to it. That said, check this out. Now this one is from the company 4Es. It's $52. It's regularly $70. This is brand new. I've never seen this product, but I so trust this company that I ordered one for myself for testing for you guys. So if you want to wait for the test, you can. I'm not sure what puts it over the edge over the other ones. It is still less. It's in the 50s, low 50s, $52.99, $53. It's got a 4.8 average review. This company makes a great product, so I do trust this. So one's on its way in for me to test. You could probably grab one now and wait for the test. Keep it in the box. If you don't like it, I don't like it, we'll send it back. I just don't see not liking this thing for the company is just a phenomenal company. All right, these are squeeze bottles. I've used these a bunch of times, and I can't believe they're on sale. Regularly $14 for $11.88, 15% off. But believe me, these come in handy. Little twist tops. I put my primers and stuff and colors I use all the time. I pre-mix my paint that I'm going to airbrush. And these are leak-proof with the twist tops. Really nice. You know, these are great bottles to have. $11 for 40 of them. Yeah, definitely worth having on your bench. So there's that. All right, this is the only booth I could see for a great price, and that is $76. It's the typical booths that I've been testing over the years, but it's got the full lighting inside. It's got dual fans, which is something I will always look for. And it says dual fans up at the top here. There it is, right at the top in the description. Hold on, guys. I got a low battery. Let me plug in my computer. 1 second. Not sure why that popped up. I think the plug must have popped out. And we're back. Okay, there we go. We are in. We're good to go. So this booth is, yep, dual fan. Right at the top it says it. See it? Vivo Home dual fans and 4 LED lights. $76. Regularly $90. It's a small booth. Gets the job done though. If you want a booth and you want to get one cheap, this is the one that's on sale. All right, Gallery has their big sellers on sale. This is their entry level. This is their budget airbrush, the great GHAD 39. This is a great airbrush, 2 needle sizes. It just performs awesome. I think it's regularly $40 or $50. Yeah, regularly $49 retail. It's on sale for $29. I also have a coupon code from them because of my airbrush that just came out, my awesome new Midnight Tide Aventus airbrush. So I'll put a code below. It's Barbatos-010 for an extra 12% off of this. So you can't beat that. All right, here's the Mobius 0.3 of the 2 Mobius. This is the one I like the most. This one just performs great. It's a great little airbrush, and at this price point, $59, it's really good. High quality piece. The button I like, the adjustments, and the way it performs is great. $59, regularly $71.99. Plus, with my code, you get another 12% off. And here is their Mobius 0.2. This is their detail airbrush, regularly $85, on sale for $72. Also has the MAC valve up front. And this is, geared towards fine details. My buddy uses this brush like every day. Now I put this one in because it was $11.98. It's a $15 airbrush. Now it's on sale for $11.98, $12. I mean, I'm sure it performs decent, but at $11, I would prime a bunch of stuff for a couple of months and probably throw it away. Yeah, if it gives you any kind of trouble. But yeah, I mean, an $11 airbrush. I probably should buy one just to test for the channel, just to have a nice, fun video. But yeah, this was the cheapest airbrush I saw, so I threw it in the cart for you guys. $11.98. All right, this is the portable airbrushes. Let me get this one because it's a little cheaper. Yep, Black Friday, $42, regularly $50, and the black one, for some reason, is regularly $70. I mean, what's the difference here? I'm not sure. A cheaper airbrush? No, same thing. Let's stick with the red one. $42. I don't use these that often. I actually went outside with one during the summer. I have a friend that actually uses this all the time, but he sprays in his garage, and actually it gets the job done. You're not going to blow through tons of paint. Particularly heavier paints, but for detailing and light paints, it's pretty good. I get a lot of questions on these all the time. It's got the meter so you can see where your battery is loaded up. USB charging. Not the greatest thing in the world. Nice to have if you have it in your bench, but that was the only one I could see that had a decent price. Now, for compressors, I wasn't crazy. Nothing was really on sale except for this one because it's regularly excuse me guys, $66. This is $135. I haven't tested it, but it has a 4.5 average out of 166 reviews, and 600 have bought this in the past month. But this comes with a nice case. The hose looks like a quick release valve, an airbrush. It doesn't quite look like the regular cheapies, which is still a cheapie, but it looks a little different. It's got some paints, bottles, and it's got this compressor. It looks tankless, but speaking of my buddy, a friend of the hobby shop uses this because he carries it around the hobby shop. It's on the handle right there, and he just moves it around. And this is the first place I've seen anything like this. And I think Badger makes them like this too, these portable air compressors. But it is a nice little set. $135, regularly $165. I haven't tested it, but again, the reviews look pretty strong. All right, for markers, I bought these before. You can see in the upper corner in the left. Purchased September 10th, 2024. It's a nice set of markers. 3 size types of tips. And you're getting chrome and you're getting gold chrome. Not quite gold chrome, but nice enough. 4.7 average. Very nice. $15, regularly $20. If you just want chrome, here we go. Liquid chrome. $5.99, regularly $10. That's a pretty good price. 40% off. That's 3 pieces you get with 3 different types of, looks like, tips also. Can't beat $6. Same thing, $5 here, regularly $7 for a set of 3 sets of gold. All right, nippers, here we go. This is Steady. I like this brand. I tested a bunch years ago, a bunch of these nippers, and the Steady actually came up close to the top. So this is Steady brand. So I try to pick the ones that are on sale. Regularly $17, $13, 21% off. Comes with an extra stiff spring, and the cover. Can't go wrong for $13. All right, check this out. I looked for a low price single blade. There it is, $11.84, regularly $15. Rui tool is good. I have 2 of them here, and I actually had an extra from a test, and I gave it away, and the kid loves it. He uses it every day. But $11.84, I mean, tough to beat. You know, it's not going to be the greatest, but it is going to be better than, you know, a regular $10 when you get at the hardware store. So, like I said, I like to get a good quality, low price one, and I cut the piece off the runner, and then I get close to it with a better nipper. But this is, it's worth having as a backup, $11. All right, plastic spoons. Here we go. Check this out. $7, $8, $97, regularly $10. Here is white, and I also have black. Oh, where's the black? Hold on, guys. Hold on. There they are. All right, there's black spoons. Same company. You can see I bought these twice at the upper corner. Matter of fact, I bought them pretty recently, a couple months ago. Yep, September 28th. I don't have to mention that I use these spoons. You guys see it every day. All right, now let's jump ahead. All right, Fusion Firm. Here we go. Here's the liquid chrome. Very good chrome. I was shocked to see it was on sale. 4.6 review. That's pretty good. Should be higher. I think it's a really good product. $15, regularly $18. If you're sitting on the fence, grab a bottle. It is absolutely worth it. All right, here is the original one I tested. You can see I purchased it in May, beginning of summer. I grabbed this, and fantastic. This is the brush, but you could also throw it in the airbrush, and I did both. I brushed it on and airbrushed it. Came out awesome. So this one's only $10. Like I said, it's dual purpose. The other one is very thin. The other one's made for airbrushing, but it comes, you know, in a much bigger bottle. All right. Coffee stirrers. I use these every day. It's got to be these rounded tip bottom ones, so you don't, well, you know, if you use them while you want a rounded base. I cut these in half, so you're getting 500, so you get 1,000 stirrers. These are totally worth it at $6. I paid around 10. Yeah, these are $8, it says here. But at $6.79, grab these paint stirrers. A must-have on your bench. And here it is, my last item here, my weather station. Hey, wait, there's a paint rack. There's more stuff coming up. All right. This is, I just bought this. This is incredible. You can see it on November 1st, right up here in the corner. It reads the humidity in the house and out of the house. This is the #1 seller for this weather station. And I paid the $50. Here it is, $56. I paid full price. I just needed one and grabbed it. Here it is, 43% off, $32. And it's worth it, man. See it? There's the blue is the humidity inside, outside. It comes with a little sensor. I just put it outside my window here into the backyard. There's the sensor. And it's fantastic. It tells me what it is outside and inside. A really great item to have on the bench. Now, I know I have paint racks here, guys, so let's look for them. Here we go. All right, and these are these paint racks that I use. This is the acrylic ones that go on a shelf. They're made for nail polish, but I put my little jars in there, and certain ones will fit. Some ones don't fit. I put them in tipped. You know, they tip them in there. You'll find a way to make them fit, but I'm sure you guys have bottles that will fit in these. I collect all paint, so there's always something that fits in there. The Vallejo bottles and all those. So, and then I have the ones for the wall. I'm not sure where those are. Let me see. Should be right here. There they are. All right. All right, and there you go. This is the ones you see when I'm filming behind me. You'll see the paint racks on the walls. That's them. They're clear acrylic, and they hold a lot of paint. They come with 6 per package. You know, obviously I bought about 100 of them. Depends what you need, but these aren't on sale too often. Regularly about $20. Yeah, 19. I paid around 22 when they first came out, but $15. These are absolutely worth having if you're going to mount some paints on the wall, and use the other one if you don't have a wall, you have a shelf. you're going to go ahead and use that. And I believe that is everything. Oh, here we go. Another pair of nippers. All right. And I think this is the last pair. Let me see the other ones. Yeah, this is one I skipped over. All right, check out these. These just came out under $10. Look at this, guys. $9.99. It's ultra thin single edge. I don't know the brand, but at $10, I'm sure you can get a couple of kits done with this. And it looks like it comes with a spring and a cover. Check that out. Yeah, this is definitely worth $10. So I would grab this. I don't know how I'm going to mark these down, but I'm going to put a link to all this stuff below. I'll put black nippers, I guess, black handle, $10 nippers. But look at that price, man. $9.99, regularly $17. Absolutely worth it. And I haven't tested it yet, but I know most of these are, on the same level. So at that price point, and this is a must-have. And that will do it, guys. So there you go. A lot of you guys asked for it. I didn't see many stuff when it first started during the week, but I waited till today, and I made a list of what we normally go through, and here they are. Here's everything I could find. Now, I'm not sure what's going on for Cyber Monday. If it's many similar, or if I find extra, even a couple of more items, we'll go through this again, and we'll go on Cyber Monday. I think most of this is going to match up with Cyber Monday. But we will find out. And, yeah, that's it. All right, guys, have a great rest of your weekend. It's currently Black Friday right now. I've already worked. I shop and deliver for a living, so that's what I did. So I'm done. Came in, filmed this for you guys, and there you go. Anything you want will be in the description below the video. Just click the link. It'll take you right to the product. All right, guys, have a great day. I want to thank you so much for the success of my new airbrush video, the Midnight Tide Aventus airbrush. I've been using it since that video, and I love it. I think you guys are going to love that airbrush. And I want to thank you so much for that success of that video. It's doing really well. I think you guys are going to love it. Anyway, guys, here it is, the main page of Amazon. I am saying goodbye. An excellent day for the rest of you. I hope your shopping goes well, because I just got stuck in some traffic. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. We will see you in the next video.